update on the 2015 Genesis. So Juan had brought us more carbon fiber parts to put now on the interior. So what we're going to be installing is the panels that go along the rear fender right here. Then we're going to get the little quarter panels that go upwards. And then we're also going to be putting, I think, the panel that goes on the side of that window, so that kind of L shape. So that whole interior area, the walls are going to be carbon fiber. So on this side, I already put this one on. Pretty basic. They all have back their clip-ons. So flip it over. Right there, right there, right there. And they're all just going to hook back in to where they normally were at. And the people that did this, Carbon Fiber Lay, did an amazing job, man. Like, check it out. Everything is perfectly back the way it needs to be. There's no bubbles whatsoever popping up on these, which is really good. So when we put in the clips, everything's gonna stay in there nice and flat. And here you got more of the carbon fiber parts. This is gonna be on the driver's side, the side I just showed you guys right now. This is where the seatbelt's gonna be at, and that's the other, or the panel where the window's gonna be at on the top. And then this is the one that's gonna be on the side door over there, on that back piece. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna continue putting on the rest of the pieces from this side, the top piece right here, and then the L piece that goes down on the bottom over here. I'll put those right now, and now we get back into the car and I'll show you guys. So now let's climb into here.
Okay, so the lady across the street in the blue car?
Yeah.
Alright, me and the kids were out on bikes and scooters
Yeah.
and stuff. Oh shit.
No, go ahead.
Alright, well, the lady right here driving by in the blue car. Look.
Yeah, the old lady. Yeah, the old lady. Right there.
Alright.
She just did that. Ooh. Right there.
She saw us out there, no mask on. She walks across the street to her mailbox. She's like trying to get her mail and looks at us coming down the sidewalk and then stops and then just walks back to her house.
What?
And waited for us to, yeah, it was fun.
Because you guys didn't have no mask on.
Because we didn't have no mask on.
Fucking COVID got us going crazy.
And we were with the kids outside on scooters and skateboards.
Scooters and skateboards. Doing it big. Damn. So yeah, so now this part is gonna be the one that's going on the inside of here. Of course, I'm gonna have to pop this back out. That's gonna go in there, tucked in. So this is gonna be the bottom piece inside that panel. But yeah, so can't do it with two hands. I'll do it with one for now, but I am gonna pull it back, tuck this in first, and then we set that in there so that way we can mount the seatbelt bolt back on there with his actual seatbelt. Yes, look at that, it matches the car. Purple, 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 more carbon fiber, and we are gonna be as well confirming. Yeah, Chris, we're gonna be doing the steering wheel, right? Yep, we're all gonna be swapping out his steering wheel. So he did purchase this one before, and then we are gonna be swapping out this one, which it is up for sale. So I'll put that on the Instagram. It is up for sale, and we're swapping that one with that one. Look at that. Ooh, damn, it's carbon fiber everywhere.
Peanuts everywhere.
Peanuts everywhere. So yeah, the best part about all of this, you take everything back out. Because why? You need tools. You need tools. So we'll lay this back right here. Just for now. So this won't get damaged here. Because it's right there. Bingo. So stay. Alright, so what we need to do is take off the bolt. As I was saying, we're gonna take off this bolt. And once you take off that bolt, then we can put in that little side panel here. And it's gonna L piece into here. Then it's gonna, okay. So now the bolt's removed. Wait, why is this upside down? Okay, so now 10mm bolt removed. We're gonna install this one right here. Like I said, it's push clips. Goes that one. That goes there. Secure it. It sounded like one flew off, but we got it. We got it. This is the Survivor. All right, so let's put this back in here. Switch hands. Woo. All right. Just put that back in there, like that. Get that in there, put it there. Bingo. Okay, so now that's all on there. Of course, gotta put the weather strip back on. Boosh. So now, go back to the bolt. Put it back in. Okay, so that's gonna be in there for now. But yeah, I'll put the phone on for now. But what we'll do is I'll put that 10mm bit back in, close this up because we're not gonna put the seatbelt in just yet until we get the side panel going. And then yeah, well then we'll adjust the seatbelt to where it needs to be out here. So I don't want the carbon fiber to get scratched. But yeah, just for now, I'm just gonna leave the seatbelt off. We'll go back to putting this panel on and I'll show you guys that right now. All right, so we'll definitely keep these in here because we are gonna do the other side as soon as we're done with this side. These tools in here for now, but now I'm gonna get back out and get that panel. This panel right here. What's up, Yeti?
What up?
Say hello to MTV Cribs.
MTV Cribs?
Yep. Sure.
What's up, MTV Cribs? It's the garage. That's where all the magic happens.
Well, at least the good magic, not the naughty magic. But yes, let's put this back in. Alright, so now that that panel's in, just think of the reflection of all this carbon fiber. It's crazy. But now that this is in, now I just gotta find the piece that's gonna fit this area right here, which we have over here. This is the piece that's gonna go in there. Of course, I'm gonna have to take this off, put in the bolt. That doesn't look like there's gonna be a bolt here. I think it might. Nope, if there's gonna be a bolt there. So good thing this is already coming off. Comes off. Let's find the bolt that's gonna go in there. Let's see. Alright. Let's see. It's gonna go deep into that back area right there. This is crazy how this carbon fiber is gonna go. Yeah, at least from what I'm seeing right now, there's no bolt gonna be. Yeah, the bolt's not there, so we're okay with all that. So yeah, same concept. We're just gonna put that in. That's gonna go in those little slot areas right there. Going right there as well. Just push-in clips. Nothing too serious. And of course, you gotta line up this one here. That's gonna line up with that one there. Those two are gonna go in these bottom ones right there. You definitely want to make sure that they fit into there. Everything lines up right. Once everything has a good fitment, just push it right in. You definitely hear the clip sounds, and yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do here. Finish it off, and I'll show you the end result of this whole entire side of the passenger. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll show you guys the opposite. Now the next thing we do have to do is finish up this whole entire side of the interior of the carbon fiber, like I showed you guys. I already finished doing the side over there, but I am going to be doing now the driver's side. All right, guys, so to end it off with this video, the next couple things we're going to do, like I said before in the beginning, is we're going to continue working on the interior. The only spot that we have left to do in the interior will have to be the steering wheel. That's the next thing that we're going to do. We're going to change the one that he has on now. Instead of having the leather grip here, he has a new one, which is going to be this one right here. This is the new one that we're going to be installing for him. This one is now fully carbon fibered. Really light. Because, you know, carbon fiber is durable and light. So that's the next thing that we're going to do is install the steering wheel. Shout out for, what's the brand of this? Is it G4 Works? Yeah, G4 Works. Literally everything is G4 Works. And yeah, we can't really wash the car with a power washer due to the fact because the windows are not all the way sealed up. So we'll probably just end up doing a hand wash, you know, slowly cleaning everything up when we take this car outside when it's on the ground, and take it for a test spin, you know what I mean? Making sure that the air ride is, you know, still riding nice and smooth, making an adjustment that we need to make prior to even pulling it back into the garage. That way we know exactly if it's going to be riding still, you know, comfortably after the fact that we did the new hard lines, making sure there's no leaks. We're constantly checking that there's no leaks in the hard line, which is really important when we're doing hard lines, is that we have no leaks, because it's really easy to it's really easy to cause leaks inside the hard lines when you're doing it on the actual air management because of all the bending. Some people like to overbend, you know, and kind of mess up and bend it the opposite way or try to fit it in forcefully, which is wrong. You don't want to do that because, like I said, you're causing more stress on the aluminum piping. So that's one thing that we're going to do once we have the car outside on rolling and stuff. Just double checking, squirting it down with soapy water, seeing where the bubbles pop up. Crossing fingers, no bubble pops up. And yeah, but I will be continuing tomorrow doing my VIP trays for the car. I'm not really going to be making, you know, the interior of my Challenger really VIP style, but I do want to do something custom, so when I take it out to the meets and the car shows, people are going to know exactly what I do on the side. Me creating VIP trays, all sorts, the front passenger side down to the center consoles of the rear, the headrest pieces. Hell, even if we want to do something even more custom, creating sidewalls. I had customers already had asked me about doing the sidewalls, but the only thing by doing sidewalls with the center consoles is I would have to have the car physically here in order to do the actual template measurements that I need to do that. So it's kind of hard when someone's asking to do sidewalls. But definitely stay tuned for tomorrow. I'm pretty sure we might work on it tomorrow, but as of today, we're going to close it out with this. I think it'll give you guys enough information exactly what I'm going to be doing in the next 2 days. But yeah, remember, like and subscribe. Comment below on exactly what else you want to see from the Genesis, because we are going to be running the Genesis pretty soon. Once it's on the ground, we are going to be talking about it being turboed, all that stuff. We're all going to talk about this air suspension that's running on now and how we got it to where we are at now with the new hardline system that we put into it prior to the hardline system it had before. So remember, hit the thumbs up, comment down below anything you guys want to tell me, even if it's something negative like, oh, we should have done this or you could have said that. I mean, by all means, dude, tell me. That's what comments are there for. A lot of people can't take, you know, negative criticism. I mean, it happens. There's nothing you can really stay away from, but hey, it's social media. That's what people do. There's likes and dislike, you know, even if you don't like the video, by all means, you know, dislike the video. That gives me even more of a reasoning why I need to make the videos better. But like I said, I try to give you as much details that I can. I don't want to always just walk around and say so much stuff that people can just be skipping through the videos. But yes, definitely stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Definitely subscribe to Yeti16 on Instagram. Follow him on Instagram. Follow my page on Instagram, TonyMo_RT. And then my channel, of course, the Raptor RT. And then you got Chris's channel, which is Can I Live Life on YouTube as well. So I'm going to have both of theirs, and I'm going to put in the bottom of Juan's Instagram page in the description. So look for that as well. This dude has put so much time and thoughts and ideas of how this car is going to be, and we just can't wait to have it all completed. But yes, stay tuned. I'll see y'all later. Peace.